be so come on, make me feel. You be anyone can Jesus Christ, Nazareth. Yes, Christ, yes. Your papa is a full family of a room. I didn't want to be possible. Who refused yes to Christ is all about. And you may be dealing and it's a month for dear report. For 4 free says our money that's for person. The free say yes to Christ when you want, but to me, a baby, and just say yes to come in a bed. And son of a being anyone. See the uncle soon. I will go and fit yes yet. Yes to Christ burning and no money move. Then did you watch Jesus Christ when you make sure, sir? Would you be away and over so many then flat? Some say town power shape. Of the soul did you feet on? Hey! You didn't walk out, also, and yes, I see so. Or you didn't walk out, as I see. Yes. You didn't walk out. Oh, make up the shower and some come and some rat assassin. Yes, I was sent here. Sure, and I just said I was about the ladies. Ah, I wrote the money down. Money the William, I didn't get money down. And it prepare. Jesus, hey, let's talk more, make you talk more, make sure I will do that. Let's talk more, make you forward, make sure I will do that. Let's talk more, make you forward, make sure I will do that. I am so I'm able to run in there quite. It's not say yes, but many of you will say, and my many you, we want to say, I'm check. I don't want to be anyone. I can't get to where you used to Christ obeying, and then I will know one by one. I can't claim it now, he didn't hear running for running. No appeal anyone. You two are one war. Hey! Yes! Oh! Ah! When I'm conscious of my chain, when I'm into the press, yes! You're finding yes! And I didn't you have to go. Yadi when I'm a chum, on the one you can't I just want you now, I'm the other. I read the meaning so bad. But I'm for like an old some sour. Yes. I'm a manager and a hero. When I want to make them, yeah, what do people know? My little more just sense you. No, you want to read your son now. I'm so. I appreciate me, dear. My name is Famous. I'm even sorry, or I'm here on the and to 1 hour, want to make them. Oh, yes. Hi. You are the one who I didn't yes. Hi. What do I know? I already know me. I'm what to end. What do I know? I already know. You and me need them for oh yes. You do it in a bandit. A sumo, I'm now that you miss let me to someone. You're all I want to be. Oh, that's someone who me. Oh. I back when I'm not room in the middle. What's the woman with the park one? Worrying could be mommy. Son, I knew myself. I already know I'm giving my meeting. For a money to the no, but come on, some mama. Oh, yes. Oh, Mama, when you Rico, once, and I mean, I go up. And show her. Yes. The phone more papa. When you meet Shroud, so Mama, when you are missing it. Ah! You're wonderful, not saying when I'm very sorry. Now you show here. She don't mean I mean show here already. Ah! What else for the approach to test the you come from your everybody, you're more than switch there. Ah! So, now I am on the team. And yes, soon I am in oh, and you are in your soon I am in when I met you, die soon, die away. When I'm in night, die soon, die away. Die soon, die away. When I'm in night, die soon, die away. Oh, see, I said that. Oh, die soon, die away. When I'm in night, hey, that's it, Erico. Order for me, Mama. Jesus Christ, and the day so, yeah, that was it. Showing him when your milk is yes and then so my opinion. Erade say me metina cinnamon mankasa. Jesus Christ. Erade me near sem, on our was. Unconcon be family, not the opposite say a telling him. Be family moon a catcher. Yet I was so deep with him. oye na radi Yesu Kristo di munti amen oda for me mo bibia akwaba enede onyame onhira wo se owa na eneme no obedi nkomo kakra bi eneme nkotu Bible kra yeah we don't know bia my Bible not to me now, so you never know. Maybe we will go through the Bible. Dear me, who is saying this? A nipa bebre aboto, unkofo bebre atobaha. A nijie etu afi nipa musese, a sanity. A niema edi Yesu Kristo ba enimu. Na mi si so me nyini ya me besine. Me hu so bi adwene de basafa bako aka ne tenten. Debi. Ewo musa bre no moyede eniema ekoso for the past 1 year nie yenya ye hu twabre but e was say gyan nyame so no ye nedwuma ne ye de aseda nti na Bible ne say ade nyina mu yemfa aseda merade de esi ni nyina yemfa aseda merade na ma enya wo de se wo da so ka atiasefo de esi nyina nya anigye bi wo mu se amanfo ekwa asase ne kokum na wo di wonyame spare your life enwene adwuma ho sika ho awo ho ekunu ho eyire ho ejapade ho yiwadwe firi ni nyina so ne wiase nkwa ne hia wo nkwa wo ade nyina emma obonefo ne niema oye ene de ma ekoso around you no and take control over your life. Bible ne kan wose adwenjene ma nompe pro susu dwene na nyesa wo nompe be pro eture bi kra ye wiasefo yi kra yetimi kan kire obi se enwunwini bebre na wo high blood pressure ankosoro especially edru baby say ye mema no ena ya na misuma wo mo pa wo mo dwene pa ade abema dwene no su wo ne se obesori anopa na bibi ni ni botom na ontumi nya ne mema se obi kura timi ko hye ne ho comfort through that emema se wontumi nkoma ya na odi areho pa se enema nkoso ma no se de wo se ya na odi areho pa misre rade se onchichiri safo nyina hore na me pese mu hu se ewiase wo nkwa na wo ade nyina yemfa ye nim to awrade so ne wo hye nyuma pass no ode ye bekwa wie pa si ye wo nkwa obi da hospital opre ne nkwa oxygen esisi no so a enya asem keto so what you say obi akakakra bi ne pulu problem no wawu obi ye twense na busia formula mesan na ye pulu problem no wawu odi anye bia utimi no munsuo utimi home oti ase ene me koso obi se mame amotoa unim dia okeka o meti ha no mo ne man koyi ya frɛ me se me maame bia na me papa bia wu I've been there. I know how it feels. In Yakomosa, especially in Krum Ghana, they have no idea what we are going through. Who could do Ghana? I have many a number in near brain a COVID in a way, a shisha mask. A man fronty will be a case. Oh, the way they normalize doing their things, you know, that's the way, the same way no moyo moniema. Until a month said the go be no be or any news to Kakra. No what is yes say nipa say newa. That's all they know. But physically, spiritually, the you come waham. I mean, so who sika kona gudem near sitting beer at to say. If it say the feeling. And to me see me go through Ghana, man from mask clear bare first 2-3 days. And no crime the shaman sound say said the bear in case send me through baby. Me the best mask free, Ubianam the baby. Kuno my beja, oh, Bianti will be a case. It is a BBC. Now, only power butcher. They think you said the way everything moves. Almost side the day, it's not like that. Ubu sikano, but on to me move said you open. Me kai see a lockdown fufro. Na me kununti nimpia wonti. Me kamichero. I feel sorry for him. I'm sorry. Na moja jua kwa juma de bia juma na nyame aboa ya ma chance kakra se da and also the problem ne say no won't me kura ni chase ne ho mete se wo hwefie nti turu bi no oba fam ha ma efom asoso eso bai tre emuwa no fa the ball obeti pum 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 am say no bomb bi to fam ha na obobo say ni bufu timi bobo no bodan panyan pan e wa ha just ne ho me bi te opesu pia bonten to what na kem no se me ko no what na kem no akọ drive around na nya common nya easy sa at say ya ni could you we buy and no ko na ya say kum nipa ba wo ma hye wo ho akomfo no enya anu ni omo do so pa wo mo stress any say won timi nkommanti bibia wo ho didi ne da no stress ekum bebre so what you say me sraw minia Kristo ni pempen so yedru ye need us nyina ni Jesus so what you say ye need us wo Yesu musu na anije o ntina de bia ya na yetufu sefa ho ma Jesus sa wo do ho ma Kristo na ho konkron kan ho a o ma inner peace o ma wanije e wo mu stress and kofu kuma eni bi etim pintin kwai me ma bna wo de me hye dem 100 years kura me wo inner peace. You must say ne wo inner peace. Nti saa di we e stress asan ba e affect nkofu bi no ma ware so kura enye komo nipa ne hye wa ye stress nti na instead of say peace beba no afi dia dane ntokwa e wo fie wa enya asam ketwa sabre yan ki nyina ya ba betena dan ba kuma yi nyina ye hu ye ho nyese we ko because obi timi ko ono ne bada we nso ko nti ye hu ye ho mpo ena sese de nyame ya adom ene ye nyina ye hyefie stress nso de another problem asam be gufia enya bayira nkolajo misre mabusue ye ntimi ne wo nyame ntwema nso da bi da o sikwan so obeye na de a ye ne hwan ne ye beka kyenseja ye kura ye ni pai si sikwan so si ye ya de a obi tumi kasa obi me de me ye ma de obi mpata me na urade na ye na de a e de na ye nka all we have to do is we have to give glory to him o si ye hye na ni monyam ye pega ni din ye ne kese na ye boye mu asema no esense wo de no ho de ope ena oye enti mesra busua mpempen so ayedro I know say onye happy e wo fie ko stress ni man koye ebinum sabre o mu positions bia no mu kuta no adwuma mu because of the CANT it was especially taxi drivers. I feel for them. Yempie why na ko bi store na why na e kwaba nti o se taxi driver no e pack taxi ni ti o no ko pay regular job onye bida the wo ya ni taxi chi no aye new to him nti the stress nya kom misre rade onu na oye wrechechefo o machichi obi biare de bia ye betena ye pichi but ni me koso wa fifi mpa eni me koso ebinum de adane nsa no obi kan nsa no ojae afedi dru sabre wo de adane nsa no obura last bi sister bia me ne kasa osema me no to me kunu timi bura no ofefe no so ati ase ebinum adane omani a kire nsa no ebinum afedi omati asikurum edru ekobibra edi na obeye dia gigi nani they were just fishing for something to make them happy but happiness e wo Kristo munko Yesu Kristo munko na happiness wo ewiase enije nimbiem Satan yehu sanimra akanetia nti ugu ahomboabo aso wono de oye nyina oye na dwuma wo ugu ahomboabo aso ene ede esisi ye my Ghana movie wo de wa wonito na safo wonito America don't blame anybody e chrese Yesu Kristo maye to so mido aben de o kan ye no asundwe efra asase so ye yi asundwe efra asase so na mpanimfo a wo mo kotena ban ehye mra hye bejafo Oman no mo mpanimfo mo ka bi ewo mu a nka ye nkontokwa na nka mo mepataye ene de yeti o ye head no won yeti na ntokwa somi we si makonwani we si family mam we so betom zametia we si ana wo si etena ye mpanimfo a mo kohye mra ebre na wie drunti Satan eye na djuma fast nti obi ye bibia wonwene de besie ye to ye ne America ha hwedi sie nkofo bi se omokoye demonstration peaceful all of a sudden cruise bi abefrem omo baje ntre ha ni nyina ne se omo pese boja ne huhuru so what you see nti de ekoso nyina eya awoko ya mfiti ase etwa se eba Satan pentem nti wura nipa ye ni nyuma wo gine ho a onti ase nka is impossible say a White House obitimi ko wura ho sa esim me gine ho say eye hoanum ni lusu guard sama wo bitimi ko nipa timi wura musa because security ni ye tight nti eye dey Ebraso Satan eye juma akaka krebi na Jesus Christ opie na nimunyam Bible ne kan o sebre ni bekwa wie ya mo beti okon ni akosem so what you say ahini be sori ahini so oman be sori oman so eno na wo hu yo obi ti ba bia osimi ntweme ho de o nso a obi epetumi se obi epetumi wo sikasa die kora opetumi obi epetumi nti na obehwa yekuru mu Ghana obi kura ahini na wope otimi chema nso ana ko wie court ni yetumuro ni nyina ne se de obi atiompe obi epetumi so what you say sanete obi apeso ye ne own boss sana se aye obi apeso ye kase wono so nie so what you say nti obi anya chance a opeso wura mu no so yehu se me ni nipa so mesimi so me nie nti de ekono Satan o na dwuma na oye ne ntentem no eno na wo hu eno na etwa buyi nti wo bibisa ema wakoma ntu ema wo bu onhum entu bu honhum fasida ma awurade se awurade ampa wasam ye ane ni amen wonsam a wo kan nyina ena etwa buyi so what you say awurade nsam wo kan nyina ena etwa buyi Bibi di adanse Yesu Kristo ba eno na wo so woni tifo hu se sabri wo ye akomboabo abre sabri ye niagoro ye boa ye ho because osoro henie na be ebre na wiedru nti de wo ye bia no na wa boa wo ho fi se ye mra aka no etia sabri we nso na Satan eyi nkofo adwene efiri awurade so Satan ompohwe obenwa omposika ompohwe di opesa wugidi be flatofo di ope ene na me de bra bi di nkomo osema me anotoa nsori dane bebre ibinuma dane politics ewo ye nsafo mpo na nsafo bi se me momudi me de mo tekaka me ade ewo lende asafo a eba asase we so a na nipa ji wo mu dipa enam so ma akra bebre esakra ye akodi awurade even the founder na kora no na onye nipa ketwa enne de sa asafo yi mo jiji awaregya ye so me no ka say sa asafo yi mu bi mpanimfo agi wo be yiri dendenden a 3 years ni brother no eni junction ne yiri ene ne ma na nkaya ma wiasefo nye na yanka bi na sese mimi modi basi ye de pim no na de tia na tia dia ye beba be biem se ya mu bi ehu de ekoso because nyame fie na nka sa niema we ye nsososo last me ka kira mo se wono maame no popati na ahwe na wo maame de nim de wa awade mu isha mfu wasem nkoda nim ekuya meshow be ma no wosesei betna ha na instead of so no maame na tie no na ayi wo no kunu na tie no na wo no maame na tie Bible yi so wo ba beja ne jane na I wonder cruise we so ya sane penifo omudi mutintimani a wo kware mu kura o mfa ne ize chi ye betwe wansana watumi aware mu no enye komo wo mu nso sa ni panyin so na ejiji aware ja yeso o bebi enema esi ekeka ko say no peace me say brother cause mami ekwan no de mamu nya itena muntena ha de say main place na ye ni kire no nima ekoso ho nye ti muntena tena kwan hu a na mo be preach ni yetibia ni ye de aboye bra na main place na ye fi se we die asafo kakraka say no nima ekoso no enye we nyina eya awokon ya mfiti ase akaka krebi na Yesu Kristo pie ti de ekoso enye echiwade na nnade nsafo bi wuwura mu a wuhu ubehia o muso no ma wurobu ubehia o no mu bobo krerika ni ekotokoto won osemame de Kristo ba kokora ni womu de womu ni je ho ye kasa kese eni dibia kese eno na sese womu worship wo nti woni asori pani kasa no no de amamre ne no de ba be kasa yeyi Kristo sinche so what you see na mesra bra ne se abotra wanya watena sia onkobo adwaman no onyame nkoso sustain no no wontena se brother enkobo emfa ba bia na bre no so a awrade be yipuma kwan na grounds will shake and no be any kukura no de ku wura so dem na yehu asori no senye Kristo asafo pa hunkunkun timu a wudu ko ukunu ko wura mu a wan heye ya anye wo yira ye beje ukunu e say de bi no aye no ti amani pa bebre se say fie no motete so nyame asori dem ho e baabi ayehu isre wrade so hu ye mobo nti odofo de ekeka kono eya wo ko ya mfiti ase de esisi bie ya wo hu eya wo ko ya mfiti ase we di adanse ese ye na ginkwa Yesu Kristo o babie na ba wo ba no so wo ma ne kwa okuta na kachia de bre bia se di ni nyuma te sa no ba no okuta na kachia o de bre bia se di ni nyuma te me se brother sister sa wo nware ye na afi na wo be wura ware mu a me sro efi kura wo ko wura mu ni hweyi me mfa wo papa no yeso yesofo mami wo mu kura ano wo mu di wo mu nye no wo mu ye dangerous so se iwiasefo hwehwem ne na sofo die no obi kura timi de bayi so no ote no odi sofo obi bosom so no ote no odi sofo nti se nipa ne pie be ka cho se me ye sofo me ye weiwei me ya sori pani me ye wei ya hwehwemu ye entumirika ne hoye hu nyagro a lot of wolf in a sheepskin ni nyina ne se wo mo be fra abaye niema se awrade din si yenti ye se awrade din wa mamam ensembia ya ne koso ho no pantoma o nyagro ayu nanka bibi to wa monte wo dwane ko nyame fie nso se sei de Satan krusu na beje ho afa nti nyame ma no kro nya konyo ntena so Sanai, tu ya branti ya babawa. Na wunya nware ya mitufu. Be vigilant. Mfa wona makono ntubiri kan ko wura ba bi ni kwaso wura. Na efie bi wo ho a, asafo bi wo ho a, ye nkomo aware. Sanity. Me kame chiro. Ube fi se Kristo onyame asafo mu no wa ban so aware mu ni je wontibi. Ya bibri. Nti de bia I give it up for my papa kosiwa because before we be ware no opesu wuwem nso nembai ese wo mo penesa o ti da se bra wa no ma ne kura so wo ba ba no ho ye ne fa ohu be ma no ho ye ne fa no odimika but emu nsam no enya nsam kituo nti se ka munyo pani bi na wo hu akira de na wo hu bibi no wo kasa ai to boa na nka wada nyame ase but yemu na de monya no monso mu yesu ne firi mu nsa ye de ya ware awie o ye de be huru bia ye hu ye de aka ye mpan mo ne de kurakura mu amu ba no si nyame ye modom no monya pani bi sei anani hu akira de na mo se mu ntie na no kasa na ofiri mu nsa mu nue kana chira nso sabra me no kasa se obi ti papa yi wa na ase o tu ana mo bi wo si jai o si ayo hu nyasam keto ese krusu bia be wura nsafomu e be yi nyame ma afiri ho mei bebre no mu yi nyame ma ye wo katrinko mafo wo mu e ma kokudrufo anko mu be gina ye nyame adwuma aware ya bebre ase de wo ya ka wo magudem e mema ti se bonkinum anko mu be pege nyame adwuma butu aware a silence wo mu nyina aware a silence bebre because anamo utu ye no ni kwase ko utu nti na ye hu kakra no so wo bebe mu so mbe ye adwuma no so a omo nware ye no so na se kan ato adwaman so abo mo wo be preacher me nsu abom nso be ko no ne WhatsApp no wo ne obi chat mpona twen. You see, Satan is very crafty. So when na kwan ene niam utumi ya na wa ma wani an na hwa obe fulu easy obe fulu pa ma wo se wo fulu misre we de se wo maye eni da ho baby adru no pempenso adru na ho wo aso ne egu no ntena se mfa wo nse nsum wa no ne nkasa wo de wiase wie na ba ma wo da so tie se kechema da wa bodum mojedu mo fusane no fast da ma ewrade nkoka wa no adru nkoshe wo akonfo ne wiase wo mu ya wonim de obenya ena ka hu se wo koka wo ano adru ana wo koshe wo akonfo na wo dina nese wo nyina yi a onyame nkasa stress a wo ko mu nti betwere Abraham kukum dabi sa wo bo wadwempo se wo beka wo ano adru ana wo be ye wo bone a we wo ho hwe sa wo ko a wo benya baabi agina ena ka hu su se enya wo na wo bo wo enkwa no ewrade ne de ma wo nti wo yi no wo abra ne ta mo nso yeso a onyame bebu se wasem so what is bebre stress kubi atiti kubi ifie stress so kubi obi no ayere no ena yawo ena niema ye kasa fabra they have no idea what yawo is going through. Bebre juma sayo me pese ye nuanu mo mu ofie ntiase se unuanu oti London no unuanu oti Germany no unuanu oti America no oti Australia no ewiase fa na nyina ba bi o mo tutu kwan no bebre juma sai o mu ni sika ay obi kura woni nkrata o na nka mpese aban sika kaka o de beba sa monye mfa nto aduane ni wanya bi ote onya bi nti obi ni dan kakra no aye dia ma full course na ba nipa no bebre wo mfa na ni nyina ne say you guys demand a lot nti so obefa ka che o se bi ni ho a wonyini ni ndie ene phone call no omfa sana ye mema bebre ye stress o ma ye stress e yi abafie ko mbetumi ayo o mo na tewo no mo konkofo ayi no mo je wo mo nsa mebwa ye nti obi nso yiye ba ne de twen boga o mu wie so a boga wonya kobo kire se won ti kro no onko obi ayiye na wakobo nsa o mu ana echi iwia ne esa chichire ka de sekechi ne de ato aboboga ti boga utie me se de yiye bi ato ho a ma wo mu nti asie sesese eni mu mo ye den unika the kind mo nti asie from here before you get there so betumi akwa. So what you say? The demanding is too much. This is the we need your praise. Not asking money no for webra. Obu hon man no mpedi pa. Na ofra no kura wonya no. Ma me mama enne de me efunu na ebie. Me ka no kura na kire mo. Bebre mu demand nti na mo fra wo mo mfa wo. Because omo ntumi nka di omo komu wo han kire mo. So what you say? Bebre especially mema kura de ya no mo peso mbeka mo asem. Enti so no wontumi nka na asem nkire wo no. Ene wo fra no wo mfa. Yesu umpenipa. Ebi na eni ho ntia, enye mama yeden. Enu ntia. O, enye boni bi entia. Obi ti bi hwefo nko no sa na osu. Na ni su san ha sa. Wonyanko obi fafo ne pa. But ebi ni ho. So what you say? Bebre di ikumu. Ikani padodo o modwuma seya. Ifri afi 2020 ABC Sabriya womunye nsi wo mudadamu a you will be shocked. Me come chira you will be shocked. Nipa ne bebre chesesese eniema jiegu ama obi ho kakra wa pɛ da ho no eno no wasa di tutua danka because ukrum ha yeni mami ni papa bi wa ha na wa hwe ya bibi ji buma wotam ne ma se me komi wo fa ho me komi se wa ho me komi nana ho me ko we ho we die wantua ye yi wagu abonten nti se nipa na dwuma se ya na ni tiri bom oni asomdwe nti se fie ko sesa bibi de ba de mo be kan se wo mpa nipa enye nipa no wo mpa o de mo be request no oni bi o de be mamo ene wo no so he refused to tell you the all go through. Nti se sadia me mfafo nti obufu na obufu ne kwa. Wona ne konante edroso ye ji usika di kwa. Wona ne kwa di fo trofo wa ukotua kwa enya adwuma because e video. So what is? Nyeko. Bia stress. Obi na nka wonyare stress nti say we develop yare ebi pressure ekosoro eniema nkoyie ebi no mu woni ni oba ni we ba no we beto ache be ma ne be because niema nkoyie woni ne yira da nka e wo say ni gie ba no na wo beto no no ogu ahome me do asem kakra bi ayi de jadamu na aye ntokwa asem anya asem kura because wo checking ho a sika ni ho ne calculations na ye bebre ne ho meti wo mu de onye. So what you see, ono so omfa ne ho nto awurade so ehu de wo so ye nti ama ne niema ni nche se adwene na yeku ha ohu de onye. So what you see, nyekom mesre mani bi so edru ba bi se ya munya motere because be ma se bibi ni ne ho a etise de se be previous ne be ma nya adwuma. So what you see, se bibi ni ne ho a etise de se be previous ne be ma nya adwuma because eno na ma wo mu gire wo na so. So what you see, so wonye Kristo ni pa ni da so eye awurade wonyame ma ni inner peace a ebi nkura no a ebi num ya na enye easy nti man mesre mo se mami no choa bibi kitubi na mekunu bofu bibi kitubi give him a time, he will change and you may be nkoso man se de ope and I instead of so I don't know beto awurade so no ontimi fa no ho nto awurade so fi se ono ana ho de ne betumi aye nti na ma stress no aye bebiri wo no so sa nti na wasoma wonya boni o wasoma kan kanya boni o oso mu agidigidi ada ne ntokwa ejina ha ensi fom no wonya hwi o eye de wo komu no ntia edu sekra wo mo mpekasa no ya ma yede otiwa wa yedi ba calculation na wana dwumu ni too much wo mo sa na wa memben no ambo mpa ya ma no amfa nyame asama nwura na wa nhwe yi obeye no ho bone nti besremo ema some tone voice no this is the time our men need you because oh he your man be bema no hye ne yiri difficulties no wo hwe oba no se oba we ni bia obeta me ho tama mitimi ko ba kura itire bia fun ko so bitimi ba minim ni pakro na sisi adwuma be sai no wo hwe obi be me yire obi na djinjin no obi na djinjin no emani bi susu omuni nkaye tama ede baye ebinum ayese Job yire okotena se bibia onyame hira won bibia omunsaka tama nsowe ba Job so a eni mefifiri ne nsa no obai nko meka se nyame na de ma ono nso na agye mikunu de asibia metawachi ebeyiye osidumu nyankopon newu sese mani bebre position mu gina no. So what you say? Miss Reverend say, why the yemfa nyansa ebinum kra de ayenchia Abigail oba no ho fe onim nyansa yenyisu sa Abigail spirit no bi ne yemfa ntai kunu no machi this end time na de ekọ no nye de ekọ no enkoye misramo eni die mu mema ni bi soso misramo edru sabre we ya be yesi bema ena numa dru anyu oba to tu kura se chere bema ndem na meboa. We want your boldness no matter what ebi wo ho bi ni ho. We want that boldness as a man because who boto Abraham boto. Oh yeah. Se me kunu mi husu why lemma na chesa me so pesa me so me yetsem gudo. Nti no matter what stand as a man yenkoye ni. Sa kukudru ni firi ho a emma oba hu no hu sese oni bambo. Nti die esibia me pa cho brother. Kawakoma toye. Kawakoma toye. Nebisi. Ebisi wo Bible. Job kura de ye ne manya ne firi ne nsa o. Ekura set to no kan. Na wa nka wo de oni ma firi nsa obai be fa osa. Ekura set to afekura de ontumi kura na onam pa ba ko so nti ye nya ode. So what you say? Misra mu minim se. Mu bi se bi nim ho a anamuntumi nkoma ya na ye den amamu pa. Nti se because of that what trien sanomo jai misra wani dim jai na no akura no ebe sew ebe ku ye de Bible mu so onyame so mpe enti misra fansa bottles no ko sesa ni nyina abra kokotugu eye enko hu bi na de ye wonsa no mu ni se obenom abro ada obeti wani adwendwen si mini ebe nkoi no san ho entiki adwendwen ni through so da bi di wotimi ji adwendwen no kotochene eye Jesus Christ enti mfansa en replace Christ for Christ replace ensano ni nkoi ni misra wani di. You need us and we need you. Because remember Babutu am Bible to the few Mukalan so bad. You who dear bay. And inti misro me pouch young one what you must say. The radius won't condasutiasi. The radius say, Catamada or Jim no muji do wolf sunny and Connie here. Me brass turning, son watcher. And kwani here and it is so or the four and pepen so ye dru yesu ba awo ko ye mfiti asimu ni we and yan die be ye mre wasan kan kura se ebre wiase nyina be kase ye wa hoto tie nti sa ahoto kura ba na nipa nyina kase o se ye hoto ye o se mpofrim na oseye ebeba nti tam kura na ye pese ye nya hoto no abre wiase nyina be kase afedie ye wa hoto mpofrim no oseye beba nipa so eliti misra wiase umu ya woni ndi ubenya entete entiate oba no fie ho sister entiate okunu nya kwadro na ye no na dwuma na asɛe na dwuma na asɛe susu fa usika ne sie de wodi sie na ne nche emma ebusia mmo waso ekuyafa webra afi na kakra nka wode bebua wukunu no na afi wode kɔgye di mo ewo fie da bi sie ya warefo na bema no wo ye ne seso boafo de a ebere we mu se wo bi a fakata wukunu adagya so ebere we se wo bi a fakata wo yiri adagya so ema me no to a emema no me kunu wo de wodim de woka tama me kunu ne bi won nsem pa me se ma emma se na me mani ate na me nya bi no me sanfa mani ni o me fa ma no nyeshi me nyi ni se sabre wo ba bi kura de to betwitwi na obi twa ne ni ahwe no da bi kodi dwa fa usika no kodi dwa bi go no odua ne mani ni to ne pono ensesa bibiem se the first na wo to ne pono a obetra se no wo didi no sabre ye bi ni wo isa to ne pono biem yes krokro no frɛ ne miwra and disrespecting because of say on to me nkoma ana ebi ni ho don't do it misraw miniyama ye mu bi edu start am say ya ye didn't intimate if we are not careful ye be ye kuna 4 by force we come chiro nya fe ya eniema emu nkoyie na wo bekai na tama na niema koyie na wo ye mese ebire bi atwam na wo ye mese yifri ho ni entra sundwem kakra na wo ho no wo ma mese fa besi dan wo mukuru mu wo kwa yi a wonya ba bi da eye katra wo ma mese ye mputu stop wo dan no sabre we di wo kunu hia wo mo na kakra wo ho no kodi dwa ebegu man kola na kunu hu so wo kunu ne wo kire Israel, me pouch. Mr. Winidim. Baby, you drew no say I'm sorry to some mark could drew for and tie you could know the be senior. And intina may beg every woman. We have a part to play. Yen play a part very good. Ya no casa any da and chini womb. The ODS, Mumu Bebremu was got me wa, a may, a shabu papa. Mumu Bebremu was sick up to so much of that. Sabri we Papa Nibi, a Musano. I was seen as a never saw months ago. Last week we are in our castle from Sika Neshi. For Sika could dig a big one amunidi. Crocron of friend Migra to the pond. And found coming up and in the near shim. Said the first now we are. The Nipa Shias and Tredewy. And then a near Mamunye, a bear cacranima cosso, Nacosso so bomb pieman. Miss Reminia Mamma no so, Musso. Muwabia Musso Sabre, Mudana Mochiama, Moyera no Motra, Musamoya guy. Miss Ramusso say. Bon difa ejare bonkum na bonkum so ejare nifa se first na sister na koba na wo musa usika se sei na djuma se wo sori ya usika fama e wo musa yenye ne tse de ye ne Ghana no so what ya se Ghana de opie bi obeyi akonoma aha yenye ne sa ikudi dwa ne beguo one time nyina yedi se sei na djuma na se wo so busa no ekua wo hie bibia na no wo usika de ama wanka kura usika fama no je Odona we here, so here be an do that. Do that, Mr. And find show bottom. Then could you woman now fear? Na me wait, na my project, na me say, we're it, or Nessica, you never go little Mukura. So what you say? A cobassa would near one day. And it's the odd day, no, also the old Mrimabia, the odd day, no. On so your own memu. So what you say? The old day no so sabre we no see ye dead doedy. Ye don't chere. Let's show it. Now so jimra. Ye nin communication and you're very say effective. Communication is a key. na yenia mema no so a utimu se bibi ha no panso on kasa. Your wife is your best friend. And then nim komo. Shira no mani hu de ekọ, ebi na wa mani hu, ebi wo so mani hu. Let her know what is going on with you. Let's wo mo bi no betumi de abo de abo. And then is some for so many yen tokwa. And my true brace ya yen kai, especially maybe type of people ni bi no. Yeah, tie baby on me fire Bible chire me bo. Just let's yen rewind ya adwene nko back say. Edrumre bi ni obia. Ya ho hihiem ya ho chire mu. Omo de do eware owie no sama oso a obi ho no kwa obusiem mo bi aprentu kwan da na brother yi ma oso a bruchire sometime enne ye kan nipa ye kan ofra ye fa adwene a ye do betenam ni nyina ne se papa na hye wani munyam enne ne ho chire no kai di ofri ye ma from the beginning na wo so come with the full speed na baba support obi so beka so mane no to wanye bibia ma me de me cruise me ana me ba ma broche o me de me ma me no na de mba me de me parents na de mba he wo hye wani munyam ye obe ware wo frifie a hye wani munyam wa ware wo hye obi hye o fra Mrs. owi okukuru papa di se ya dese no okoto twene ye no de ne de eta wo de to ani munyam hye baby ebiem na wo hwehwe. So what you say? Do na man what then the last name and it do so and I just say a painful way. Would you just look for sa and home kwa? Ne who say nipa ya dia osayi. So what you say? Let's cover each other's nakedness. You cover yourself. Ye bibi ma wo pikura teacher wo hukura say papa na nadwuma say don't the one for cover the nakedness the one for cover we in nakedness ni yehwe so nyame fristo musto mehira mo enya fe na wo twanta yi ho ne so wo bi no mfi me kuya na te say yo na wo kuru ya se say ya o de wonder shall never end. And then they are like say you know. This is the Kobo's capra modama. What's in the Yapamobo? I the minute chianica. So first I know female, and in a minute chianica pa. We yes, sir. Me need this Abigail Nyansan. Who will be? We are bar now to say, and none making kind Abigail. Niku. Nidin namba ninchira si jejenchi bro kwasia o jejenchi bro just say too much na oba ho fefo nyansani no ware be ma jejenchi na David ekohia ne nkofo omu twa enwan ho ekohia ye ne kama no osoma ne nkola se munko na mun kan che number me ne mo say mi shira no kora shira wo ni ne fie oduru hono ma na ne nkola iko deliver message wo se hwan ni David of he hwan ni Jesse ba David wo ye hwan anti me mfa madi e ma wono ne nkofo no mu ni they say the man 40 etua bebreo ono wone hwan the man boys na wo tututu wo master eso atua ni bia ono ebia ho mu mfa fi wo kura na mnyefiri omo so no omo tena sere so omo hwenya no omo ye omo good omo bibia nyera bibia nto bibia nsi omo ye nice to them to what can say na ba ku di mirika na oba ne nche no si bo ukunu ni na yi dem wan san bai ye ko ye esre so David go for say ni no mo ye ba ya nsem na ukunu akeka no ama David buofu o so wo ba na sade echi na se mo ne mu na ntwe ne mu nwan na mu fie emo ada so te ase abonsere no obai ti ya mo di America no ni na hihye no fa na fu mu no so mo bese mi enko mi kunu ye jimifo a mi nye jimifo o ye jimifo a mi nye jimifo Matia se pass ma wale Jimmy for. Nanso me di minyansa ebe cover. Mami di America e di ni ane. Odu David ni ma mo de na ni mbutu for no se miwura. Memena. Ye okukodru for se menhia. Ye we de mesra wo hwe. Hwe mani mo ate. Fa che me. Me kunu wonim nana. Ni di no kura da no so na ba ne tere jejenchie. Wajimi. Wo ye Jimmy for. Me di dance se ma wale Jimmy ni. Nti me sra wo fa che me hwe mani mo. Bebe na fa che me wate. E no wo bebe mu. Bema na wo kire wo na so sa no wo feyie. Na sa di munyansa. Bebe wo hwe mani mo ate. Na David show ba mo fefo kokodrofo nyansani. No wa dad form sa no na fe wa jojo. No wa jojo. Show ba this I say hey. Obey. Mostly and my own fire may be what would take Jimmy. Now the own finance so send me down sapa. Can you remember cock do couldn't know how long? What's the baby and her many? Me dear Diamba, me the way from home, one needy. Oh, so no tears said you ban. I didn't know who offended the big Biabe Butu and Nimo from a year, not just say, I'm what? JPP, a woman, the guy. Mamia could settle case. Or buy a number and a banquet, Kessia, say. Or Jimmy, one woman, some will say, come. Me and Bible, no can walk a cruncher. Case net the dodo. Case net the dodo. Me trust ye one for money and tia monica. Case in the papa be your Bible look first someone. Case in the na cream a big a cream. Your Bible look first somewhere. It was just free 14. Was one of the young men told Abigail, Nabal's wife, David sent messengers from the desert to greet our master who yelled at them. Those men were very good to us. They didn't mistreat us, and we found that nothing was missing. Wherever we went with them, when we were in the field, they were well protecting us day and night, as long as we were watching the sheep near them. Now, consider what you should do, because our master and his whole household are doomed. Are doomed. Nkra, nkolana ba ko de bre e de say Abigail no. Me pese makin kan ho nyina yes, 1 Samuel 25. Unya daje kenkan. Or say now, consider what you should do, because our master and his whole household are doomed, and he's such a worthless man that it's useless to talk to him. So Abigail quickly took 200 loaves or society me jampo and waba 19. Or she go on ahead, she told her young men, and I will follow you. But she didn't tell her husband Naba about it. I'm money kunumpa mania, cause okanya obona mania ko beka say, hey, Jonte, okay, come from money in your man in go. Ibi Joanna. David na okoye de, okomane de. Makafo ache nti oye hwan, kasa no beka. Obanyansa for one country and trinikun. Netie. Also, she was riding on her donkey down and heading mountain path, which she met David and his men coming toward her. David had thought, I gathered this man's stuff in the desert for nothing. Not one of his possession was missing. Yet he has paid me back with evil when I was good to him. May God punish me if I leave even one of his men alive in the morning. Ntina David afano could destroy woman. 23 was it when Abigail saw David, she quickly got down from her donkey and immediately bowed down in front of David with her face touching the ground. Obanyan safo. Once gini kuye yenye wankujina mua. Kowadi besi. See, Abigail nyansa ne binamde kind of after this what we will do. Or say after she bowed at his feet, she said, "Sir, let me be healed, responsible for this wrong. Please, let me speak with you. Please listen to my word. You shouldn't take this worthless person Nabal seriously. He is like his name." Thank you, Abigail. He is like his name. His name is Nabal, godless fool, and he is foolish. But I didn't see the young men you sent. The Lord has kept you from spilling innocent blood and from getting victory by your own effort. Now, sir, I solemnly swear as the Lord and you live, may your enemies and those who are trying to harm you end up like Nabal. Here is a gift I am bringing to you. May it be given to the young men who are in your servants. Please forgive my offense. The Lord will certainly give you. Sir, listen dynasty, because you are fighting the Lord's battle. May evil never be sought your life. Your life is right in the bundle of life which comes from the Lord your God. But he will dispose of the lives of your enemies like stones thrown from the sling. Me can go all the way. Me jump over 36. Was when Abigail came. Unya dadia can now. 1 Samuel 25. Me jump. Was when Abigail came to Nabal. He was holding a banquet in his home. It was like a king's banquet. He was in a good mood and very drunk. Okay. So, she didn't tell him anything until dawn. Oba nimre na meja for hold party wo chese wo nenia gia wa bruse sram no oba yeso wanka ya nkyere no oja no kokodan. But in the morning, when the effect of the wine had worn off, his wife told him what had happened. Nabal's heart failed and he could not move. When your heart failure, you didn't kasa no pano. Nabal afraid Bema na atofoma. When your heart failure, about 10 days later, the Lord made him even more sick, and Nabal died. Nabal we. When your man osan yare more. When say David, Obano ko yes ano David and kasa. So when you fight no Emma. So when David heard, let me do two. When David heard Nabal was dead, he said, "Blessed be the Lord, who defended me against the insult of Nabal and kept me from doing wrong. The Lord has turned Nabal's own wickedness back on him." Then David sent men on his behalf to propose marriage to Abigail. Did you hear? What? Nabal sim hunu diya. Nka neba yi e say David be to na siwire. A ne yire no enam ni nyansa nti. Okokasa no se mikru ni na oyejimfo. Ojimi ni di ni nkyerase yakura yejimi ni. eye Jimmy for Jimmy etra so kra nti mfa na sam nya asam a okokulu bibia down wotu musa Abigail no to anu usu oba ko fefo nyansa fo te sam na mekunu ye Jimmy for mi ja no so nyeye mitimi nyaa na misi ho no wosu no so wonim mi nyaa no na menko na mo me de mi so mi nyansa wo nyame de ama me no me de be cover be me ya kopim se so wo na betete ntem o sadiu ebisi tutu se oba no bompa ya ne nyame ma no wisdom mo ampan so ni Jimmy kun no ti David so te sa no busam se di enti na ma David e te sa be ma na wo dim ni kase ye me fo ba na mre wo hu se wo ba we ye hu fefo nya ho fe kwa wo se ni mu nyansa na dwene mu do oba we me ne ne bobra me komanim nti se be ma na wu a nkofa me mre me pepa na ni ase ni so ma ware no na Bible ne say Abigail te sa no quickly one spell quickly so sa me mawa ene ne niam na so masem yenko o de nyame ase nti nipa na wo fi se wo no wagimi ono no ye niam ense kire wo no jai na nyame te soro ohu bibia he sees everything onyame mrebe so emfa wo ye ntia wo ye ka because senka Abigail ehu se nka David eba be destroy wo mo no nka no so wo potwi nani na me mo obi bu amenyo be ma oba ma ware wa be ma bi ehia mo tum say yes me wo oba me gina me ho so nanso wo Jimmy nti nipa kra mfa me nya pe na ni obi adom no oba obabru akuwa nya no anse se me ma te hint no me ma me bag no so a number Abigail wo kwa so me hu me ma me acha me kwakwa kwasra no ti me ba na ka yaku na nka ja madani kunani na nka makopo obi fofra wa because the first in the esme hu nso mami wan hye ni kunu ne tie wan hye subaya ni kunu ne yinadi wan hye titi ana wo kom still no okopledi mani kunu se de beya David emeku be ma no ensai ni niema nyina no je ni nyina mu Awurade brace mu die ne siye aye ne party abro aye bibia eda ho sei funfram heart failure na jina obi amfa dia monitor mu obi amoni dua obi ankasa edie ne siye ti me pese oba bi ate asese mfa dia wokuna ye no emire bi etwam listen ne ho kire na mfa mo nanim je ne nyina mu Awurade mfa wo ye ntia wo ye ka na shasi di ubetumi bia fa ho keka sonko sa bi kwa na yi wo do di kese e fa kire no hu sampa na first no fi se ka bibia to ne se no kwa ka bi ja no so wa nya no mani hu the difference mani hu se adwem papa wo dirim. Let's apply the wisdom of Abigail ni enshadi Abigail anya na babone nka no anso wako David mo ayade me da se mekunu de wo ye me Jimmy sem say ya o ene wo ye me de me nkasa nti de opese wo ye no fire be me no be me be kra wateatea me ko pe me kra bo maso me na ba masesa me ne me ma wa ye frifio nti de opese wo ye bia ko be ko hye ne kutupa si me kum ni kum, but she didn't do that. Ujai ni nyina mu Awurade okokoko va ni kum ade na oba sabre we woku ho kire no ahoyiyi ato no so na wo ahoden sika fam e wo nyema bibira fam anka wo be cover wo kunu nakedness wo be cover no ma wo bi kunu hu wo be ji blame ni nyina ato so na so wagya no saa se obi ehu na danger so. Why I will tell you nyame de wo e wo musa be ma no wonye yes, but I will return e wo nyame nsem ye nyina once upon a time ni enye no nyame hu ye mobo nti ye kan so wo no so ya Abraham asefo ni bi wo nyame gye na ye nti so aye bone a ade na ye bone kakraka no nyame de achae no no de o ye bie ni ye ntimi fa ncha no wa bra ye ne dam pa ba koso. Why see Christopher there. Let's apply the wisdom in the Bible. Christo yansa for obetina mo hu nyansa uni Jimmy ntamtwe what you say if you work uni Jimmy kwase abuo uni ni twaka biem. If you do me I do you, if you work uni ni twaka biem. Into the account, say, what can you do to support your husband, to support your wife? Niamfa oyentua oyeka. Then kofa oyune kese emfama. Because yes, my fine so oyoni. When you send it to no sen. Upon just say what in the home to chili new radine was sen. When you say whom you know what to do. Say idea, papa no children na near Messi. No jawari na kona umari bi mukra nkeni nkeni ebeka senda. Nsu ukoi. Basa ko pu bi fufro na awari obra. Ukoi basa ko pu bi fufro na awari. Nti dia wote ko somuyi. Let's peace prevail. Ntokwana ekoso ofi oni too much. Me ntime ho ase ni too much. Me the way me dia sie. Woni ni pododo a e de say ayi besi osi COVID-19. Eku wo mu. Ibi enja wo mu sika, wo mo japade ho. Enye sika na ye bibi arrecht fi oni pa ho. If you nipa ho. He said because of this you be no wo mo do mo yinu mo hie mo die mo kura no. Aye si one time. E do nim. Sabre we na to ne pono. Sabre we and wo person no be die hie mu a yiwuyam. Na ye hye Kristo animonyam. And play hide and seek. And engineer. Cause what engineer on tishy. A jumboni will tell me a sanity, ultimate, be to me flow and go ye. A cobassa so a your how. Mencasa non co, one no casa so a key. Let's help them. We see them so we a member. And me say, last night my papa teaching. Was say our him a ma was 70% and a member was 30%. It do say we apply wisdom, we help them. Yet they are no casa, our attitude, it helps them to be a mujina or monaso. Mistress a medium member no so was other position. Ah, Mosum Sabri. Mo peja mo soa mo me mo so mo kire man say yes mo ye guy no brefo no ba no kra ntimi no won communicate asumdue mra ne wiase obi nim djon kukura me na kan so obi nim djon kukura ade e beche so de sibia ye hwe de afi mu ni onyame se de shiki grounds ni mfa bone nche. So what you say? Ni empim ko yenim. Ye hwese ni wunyame esi awuso asase yi. Akire ni pasampa owotumi ye hwie ni pagu te se bola. Nipa come on. Nipa te se nhwene. Uhu ni fresh enche o no wa okusa singura momo. Eya media na woman na why na way ntidie na ye kwai uni boga fo atakumfo wo mu wuja wo mansions e wo Ghana nkofu sika wo moja no bank bi kwa nim se ye je sika wo bank e die nra na se nra chi me wa ha na me fun abom me koko deposit sika ewo me bank na me phone abom phone ni boma hello me banker I made this sika no to way no me a mistake me this sika no bebre na to me model me this sika no bebre na to mu enti na me fro say na wo de buy na me kan de me de go pepe chere me which is me will receipt ni bibia ho and I mistakenly put more money in it. I'm so okay. No correct. Who discount to more? Me offer oh man receipt in grandma. Tis all discount to more. No correct. Saying I'm the mouth now. So this. Thank you so much for your honest. Thank you for telling me the truth. I'm so good. Okay, my boss will call you and see you. If this is who we do, music no bank. So what you see? Nti nipa nsahwe do nukre kosi wu be nice sika ye beto ye be say da ho sika nya de nyina ye de to bibidi but nti ye yama ye wure ene ye bibia ko him se eno na ye bibi no way So what you say? Nti sika na nti ntokwa koso ofie ogidi no. Ese bra na adwuma na se. Nkwala ni sika na eba. Some de Europe for na ye musa me bo. Nkwala ni sika na eba na ese bra na adwuma asai no. Eya mani biwa. Mani bi nyehwe. Mani bi. Mani kakra. So wo de sa wo mani kakra kwa di dwa brefio. Ohie bibi afama. Na nche obesa gina ne nanso. Do it. Abusuye, enche wo na Yesu aba. Enche de wo hu nyina bese. Enche de yebre penyina yebre mogya ni ye ni ye kontokwa we si meja we si minga nyina enche ne to atwa. Enti die ena wo se nipa ye. Ma enno so na sundwe mra. Misropa emfa wo ye ntua wo ye ka. Jene Abigail Jene said you see e dia na nke ontumi me emfa nyeniku. Nso hwe so Awurade man ade no ye simple fe obi a megina na Abigail wona wo beifo na wo kum ukunu me nyi ni se busuani bia ba begina wo ono na ye ne party no wo wi ne nsamboro ye na onya ne heart failure. Oba no tum so oba no kura ko ne nchen na dwono ne kokasa ke beka so oba no dida woni ne beye enti ne ma wonya we de wa buru ne nsa ma de achi ama nsa na tete n'ani so ansa na oba no kura ne kokasa e na munso oda hot 10 days wutum se da oda hot 10 days no kura no Abigail na ne chi ama no na okoko no nsu ko miamia no mi wura sori didi kakra mi wura no maduro we yesi no ye didi kakra wo ho beto ye Awurade wo hu mbobọ na mi kunu ho ntono wan kasa Awurade jimi fo we die taking life na me ho ntomi da bi ode saa no nyame se obai won minyansa obai wo hyemani munyam fa kire se me ba no ampa me so me ya de ama wono so hu sampa be me won deserve so no ba we tina oyi jimi fo me ma no koso ni Abigail tina wan hia na me be kra wa baslide me yi me firi ho nyame na ye niema o nye nipa ne nipa pese wo de bibi hya ne nsa ye Awurade na ye na odi ne dwuma gya ye Awurade na woni ne dwuma nko che baby kukuo bi mu kobom paye Awurade kuno wanye ni se ya wa ma na mfiri ho me don't do it mi se mre bi ye bi Awurade wo de woni aware ne gua me nware bi baby aduru die Awurade aware ne gua nyim mi bi kasa nya no nya me yire ade ni ma ne ye dendenden until se me kasa Awurade take control ti sampa ye nya me boshi bu because Awurade agene nyene ene me magene ono so hu no akini se no saadi we susi so a enema be sei nti da bi ti fagya ni ma ohu dere so na ati ohu dere ohu yira so na ati ohu yira wo ba pa o di pie ko be ma foforo nche ne wi ade untumi wo di opa try wo be wukura wo ti ho san kakra sa no nyame na ayi bibia no hye wo ni munya ti misram minim se enye easy minim se emu aye den pa ba sa obe mo nyame aye first na wo tie Awurade ne na de papa atua bone ka nke ye pa nke niam be koyi misre Awurade se wo moaye misre Awurade se ohu ye mobo omaye akoma yitimi de bone che na omaye adwene a ebe delete sa niam da tetensam no nyina afiri adwene nim ni yetimi akoye nim na numum ena se yetie mu gu Awurade so a obetie epesa me ma otie ase so se nkwa na hia in disrespect papa na da for the sake of your children any Awurade also unity because if you disrespect him they will give your God a bad name because your body you make say oh mo kra no mo so mo ye Christopher e di Christo dey be fra what you say me ametia me preach ya also tie me who could disrespect you kuna oh sir there's a one mo boss ni nyina ma me anoto no so dem say ma suba o ma no because mo so na me ko tie ma me anoto nso utiwe ma me this book na let us mo nyina e camouflage me ametia bi be fa me so what you say But see, be apply the wisdom of Abigail. Near some men no matter what. I'm not with me, my comment. I'm crying. Me soon. And yet easy. I know. Forgive and forget. Let it go. And then me create money. I can't get your near castle. Ye castle sa kwa. Let it go. And then the general soul. Nothing lasts forever. Get it? Nothing lasts forever. Bibi ni wa ashasia endi. Se chiemu saa de bi e ten na no be free. Nothing lasts forever. But so who so tie ma me no chowa. Na wo desu ba papa dia. Ono akwa na be so ade na ma asema. Ma me na ba na bra betie. Ba wo betie na wo na su ba papa dia obeka say, na se mo nyina camouflage. There's a mamma no crabs on crack camouflage. Oh, you're okay on yet. Everyone is so many trouble. So please, Miss Sarah, this say, oh, my, Ojuakum, oh, my Ahubrasiakum, oh, my Indian young son. So, Beman to say, so to say, bit me in that. So, Abigail to me, beer. We need to say we can do it. Right? Say Job to me, Job go find the year back you. Say Job will hear to me, Major Hokasa, do me young couple. One kind of Radiayama for so many years. See, can't near my woman, our Pukra to say yes, into my papa be about Freebie. Now, Fadia, a how Kakrabaya, or to me one swan ferret, could you not do when it's a Domunian couple? Say Job when nice how about we, not a man who told when you may restore the baby, I was so fun area, brother. Don't and now about and you winning in that. Genesis Job. The forward dear about all. It was so I hear your mom some a chum, but Genesis Job, remember. What to mention the new catches one mean I mean Mudia, not to Mr. Taman who to chrono and them call once you up. What you so or the dialectal command will be drawn like a cabin will be a dog. Me will crown Freddy. A dog to me from Tunte. I will deal on the sequel. Meaning this would to be called. So what is he? But Job one Papa. He went back to get his wife. One can me quam him, the old year mini. It is a net when you restore me. Let me go for a bath from. No, he didn't do that. He went and took his wife back. So please, I beg you in the name of Jesus, let's show a different attitude. This year so be I ni enye nyamo nche kuranka enka emu and they say headmistress on me. It is a ne Christo adom na waboa ama saa nyama ni nyina wa ye firi mesro a. Nti wo na ntimi ye. Wo na wo ntimi ye sister. Yenya de enhye Christo ni munyam. Ne no sa yedu asom dem woni yebo. Ye shira wo asafo ye ni him ye hankia na yakoma ni mu ate. Esa Satan metoto wano firi okono ma. Ekuya na de na wo chire na ye shira wo na safi. Tu du ko na tam sisi no kwase tintes wo. No waza be dra ye shira wo. Ewe akoko trase na de o ye no ko nyame nhuni. No sabe bo ko edu. And now all night mo so be kasa chiro. Papa ko si wa ye, mama mo nsa so ye be de nyame ase. Ye da wasia ensado na Satan ba ye. Kafa nsa to. Da ho ya se ensa. Ni abon sama o ye kire wo kru ofie na wa begira wa na papa ko si wa begira ye da wase ewratena tena ye. To mo se eso wo to nyum na eso wo nto. Aye si one time adwene no nye clear ni ma nkoye. Sabeti o ya accuser of brethren obeba be kasa kiro but se ni ma koye akoma no ye fita adwene no da ho wo ma wonsa so atum say yes onyame be sane. So what you saying to see the Christo to your so dia and ye na subam papa di. Subaye Fata Christo. Then she is with you. Wonderful. And like a crabby say. Kakrabi say. Jesus Christ, here that was say. A show any when you send the days on number of so the Cassache. A rather boy in intimate new awesome so now be on him when you're more. Yet that was so a deep good. What do you see? Amen. Kakrabi say. Easy. Sure. See, time you saw pay a ninja. Bill. Woman, my God was so dear, work it, papa. Hey, the angel, everything. Oh, Timmy, where me do?
People with type 2 diabetes.
Yes. again, oh. Back to say
Does your face feel dry and sensitive? Rebalance your skin's microbiome. The living ecosystem of microorganisms.
It is said that the gift of a man or of a young, amazing, beautiful blessing with joy setting into the city for a living. After 21 years, she's back to the people. The people of Brekusu in the eastern region. A huge number is set for her. As here, let's see what she has for the people of Brekusu. Joyce, blessing.
Still no break. Oh my God. Yeah, I know that. That's right.
and you make come over here for
And bring you minute. She and Yeshua, Mama Shira. Since it's coming down today to perform a miracle for you and I. Let me say, Nana. Thank me, Bonia Shamima. Very far from the mercy, but He give me the opportunity to worship Your Majesty, to eternity, to the Holy Trinity. Angels are singing, seraphim and cherubim. Oh, Koto, Benjamin and Donana. Risu Baku to the Bio, Beponi Dinto. Namakase, Igwe, Namisasido. Igwe nyamisaside, Igwe nane nyamisaside, Igwe nyamisaside, aside, asida. When you host above, be quiet those below. Yeshua HaMashiach is coming down today. Saint Jenny said. Kubo for dignity, begin to dignity, unbreakable. Now, man is so I can say, Obamani, this shame you me anyone. Angels are singing, seraphim and cherubim. Oh, name you me, I don't know. Miss Suma Kutunibia, my body, dear Chiramano. Oh, Igwe nyamisasido. Igwe nyamisasido. Igwe nyamisasido. Igwe nyamisasido. Aside, asida kwen. Igwe nyamisasido. Mr. Nyamisasido. I love tonight. You know, shit. I don't know what you're about. Now, then, you be a wasida. Igwe nyamisasida. Because I'm not going to go to and the students, hey, who are the other? They are going to practice what? We know the other. You are going to practice. You are going to go David. That's it. Hey. Oh, let me start here. I hear the same thing. Unless I'm cooking in here. Oh, Jenny. Yes. Yes,
see me cheers in your phone out here. We got the another to practice. Yes, we will see how Jimmy Thompson. I love them. Get our Sida, then we had our Sida. Igwe Nyamisasida. for here. Hey! This is Casunia for. Welcome, my man on tour. This is no best South Africa. Good. Yes, we see. I have crossed celebrities. Oh, but not TV so. No, I interview. First person you want to do. Hey, Nick, Martin. You can't walk while you put on and come on. I can hear. I'm afraid you can say hello to. Even I'm Mr. Doesn't matter what would you do. We would have a problem. Yes. Hey, Mitchell, and the size so far original. Mitchell. Original one. Some people know. Mitchell. Only a Japanese. Mitchell, the bamba. When you're on the zone, you know. I'm our hero. That's how I know. And that's how I know. You dear Johnny the chair, from. I was here when you mean sure on your cassius and by UTM. Say yes, you are ma, mobile sign at say, men can be. When you mean sure name a corner Ghana. Now I'm a when you are wait my pamo. I hope it says, where was a simple style? Oh, mamma style, I'm a simple. We'll wait my pom the come on. Love you guys.